Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Then, we draw a semicircle on the top of the page. We draw a curve. Next, we draw some small curve. We draw a straight line. Parallelly, we draw a straight line. Again we draw two straight lines. Now, it's time to coloring. Red color. Green color. Blue color. Red color. Yellow color. We color it very carefully. Wow! It's so beautiful. Yellow color. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.